video, I went Ikea shopping. I had to get so much furniture, so many appliances. This was like my first big store trip, so I spent a lot of money. You don't even think about all these little things that you have to buy. So I'm walking through the aisles and I'm like, okay, I need this, I need this, I need that, I probably need that too. I literally come out of the store and I'm like, I feel like I just bought everything in the store. It's expensive, but it's so fun. So I vlogged my Ikea trip and then I'm gonna do a haul and show you guys everything I ended up getting. So I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
Are we eating and then shopping?
Yeah, let's do that. I'm starving. I like the green and the gray.
The dark gray or the light gray?
The light gray. 400, wow. That one's cute though. This one's pretty nice. This one's nice too. Why are they all temporarily unavailable? I just feel like it would fit a lot of stuff too. This one is cute. I kind of like this.
Yeah, it's cute. I like that one.
This one's pretty good. I feel like I could fit a good amount of stuff on it too.
Yeah. No, it's bright and airy too. Not
Right?
closed in like the other ones.
Yeah. That one's kind of nice. I'm gonna take a picture of it, yeah.
The shift goes up.
I'm taller than it though, so it's not that big. So you just sit on the top.
Just put a really tall plant.
Look at how cute. Wait. Decorating.
Perfect. If we see a round one, I'll take a picture of that too. But this one is nice. Little kitchen table, right? That's not bad. 50. That would be cute on my patio. I could even get some grass. I like that one. This one's comfy. The clear one is cool too. 65 for the chair, 49 for the table. This one is so cute. I love the high top. Yeah, with the chair, that matches really good. This would be super cute.
Stars light up in the sky to count the wishes stuck up there.
Yep, the frame. Oh, the light next to it is cute too.
Feels like
This would be perfect for the sushi. Chopsticks, oh, I love it. This one's good though. It's plain, it's white. Yeah, I would want white legs. Oh, that is cute. This is another option with the wood. We're gonna measure and then come back and get it. This one would be cute in white. I could even do the wood. I don't know about this little ledge though. I feel like I would hurt myself. I really like the storage. I'm looking for 2 bedside tables. No, I like the open and the drawer. Bedside table is sold. It's cute in white. Okay, this mattress in a queen and the bed frame over there and the bedside table over there. So we will have the full bed set up. Yeah, this is what it'll look like. I really like the wood. Yeah, this one's not bad either. This is the mirror. This is an essential. 2? The middle ones are cute. Perfect.
Yeah, you're not going to need a bigger pasta pot.
Yeah, that's good. Cute.
No, she needs
A scrubber. We're getting green instead. Green. Okay, these are cute. I need an oven mitt. Should I get gray? Gray oven mitt? Aww. I can't believe I have all this stuff for my kitchen. Okay, we're getting this pots and pan set, spatulas, measuring cups, this scrubbing brush, bowls, and oven mitts. One's probably fine. Cutting board. It's a cheap set.
It's a good starter set.
Starter set of knives. Cheap plates.
They break and will not be bad.
2 sushi plates. Yeah, this one's cute. I'll go with white. This one's good. There, we have a lot of good stuff so far. I am so excited for all the kitchen stuff. I can't believe I have my own kitchen. That's cute. Yeah, that's perfect. my own silverware. There's so much stuff to get that you don't even think about. It's filled with kitchen stuff. Yeah, these are perfect. Yeah, 6 is good. So we are loaded up on kitchen stuff. $40. God damn it. Queen sheets. Bathroom out of the shower rug. That'll be good. Okay, here's the bedside table. 2 bedside tables. Now I'm gonna do a haul and show you guys everything I ended up getting. So first, the big things is my mattress that I'm sitting on right now. I wanted to get a new bed, so I got a new mattress. This is a queen size. I've never had a queen mattress before, so it's very exciting. It's very comfortable. I got like the medium firm. I also got 2 bedside tables that you can see on either side of me. I still have to build them. I'm going with mostly white furniture because I feel like that'll match my apartment the best. So both of the bedside tables are white. You can see outside of the box what they're gonna look like. So I'm excited to put those together in the next video. I'm also starting to put the sheets on my bed. I got those sheets from Target. The main thing I wanted to get was a bed frame, and I picked one out, super cute, but they didn't have it in stock. The other thing I picked out was a mirror. I picked it out a while ago and I knew that was the one I wanted, and they didn't have that in stock either. So now I want to show you all the appliances I got. I am so excited. I got a ton of kitchen stuff. First, I got 2 sets of silverware. I can't believe I have my own silverware. I also want to get those like silverware drawer organizers. Obviously the fork, knife, and spoon, but then they have mini forks and mini spoons. And I'm definitely gonna use the mini spoons for like my coffee. I got oven mitts in gray. Just putting all this stuff away in my drawers is gonna be so fun when I like organize my entire kitchen. I got this set of knives. I thought this was like a super basic pack, and they're nice looking too. I got 2 spatulas. These are gray and this like light blue color. I'm excited to cook. It's gonna be so fun. I haven't like cooked anything really. Next, I got napkins, and these are my cups. So I'll show you guys what they look like. They had a lot of options for dishes. I went with honestly the cheapest stuff. I just had so much to get, and I was like, okay, next thing we're picking out is gonna be the cheapest option. I don't care how cute the other ones are. So these are what the cups look like. They're glass. I better not break them. Oh my God, they're so cute. And I have a dishwasher in my apartment, which is really nice. Next, I got a huge set of dishes. So this is plates and bowls and mini plates. I thought this was a really nice set. I'll show you guys what they look like. These are the mini plates. Honestly, this set comes with a lot. I thought these would be so cute for sushi. So they have these little dividers. I thought like soy sauce. No, this one's probably gonna be for the soy sauce. But these are so cute. So I got 2 of them. When Enzo and I get sushi, this will be perfect. Next, I got measuring cups. I got a scrubber to wash dishes. I also got sponges from Target. This paper towel holder. Next, I got a cutting board. Next, I got this set of pots. It just comes with 3, super simple, but I thought this would be perfect, honestly. I definitely think living alone now, I'm gonna have to do a lot more like looking up recipes and stuff. I do like cooking a lot, and I've definitely done a lot more in the past year, but I figured I'm not gonna need that much stuff when it comes to like pots and pans, so I just got this basic set. Honestly, seeing all this stuff, like this is, I have my own kitchen. And then the last thing I got from Ikea is this little toolbox of all the essentials. I have a hammer, some pliers, especially to build my furniture. I'm gonna need all these little parts, so yeah. Here is my last thing. I almost forgot. I got this rug for the bathroom. It is so soft and so nice. It's white and like fuzzy. I thought this would be good when stepping out of the shower. Anyway, so that was my Ikea trip. I spent hundreds of dollars. And that's not all I need, obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the third part of my moving out alone series on this channel. It's so fun to film. So in my next video, I'm gonna be putting together my furniture, setting up more. I still have so much to do. Aside from just needing to go to the store again and get more stuff, I also just need to unpack and organize all my stuff. I love you all so much. I'm so grateful for all of you. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all so much. Bye. Mwah.